Well, we're gonna go down the hill backwards.
Yeah. I don't think it's much of a hill.
Welcome to Wonder Mountain starting for your safety.
Look how old this ride is. It's weird going up a lift hill like this.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's weird. And then we're gonna hit the drop, if it's a drop at all. I mean, this is just their revenge because we went backwards. Oh no. Oh shit. Okay.
Oh wow.
Woo! Right. Here comes the bank. Into the dark.
Interesting.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, you gotta hit the coins too.
What? Oh god. Look at all the little. God, there we go.
Oh, where's my gun?
Bam, 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 bam. I don't know what color I am, to be honest.
I think I'm yellow.
I thought I was yellow. I don't know.
I don't know.
My gun's vibrating. It's just not doing it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure mine is.
Oh, maybe I'm red?
Yeah, blue. Oh, yeah, hit the statue.
I wish the gun made like a sound effect.
Yeah. Shoot.
Oh, you're not supposed to do that.
Nope. That's fine. Shoot him in the head.
Oh!
That's where that drop was at.
That was pretty cool.
That caught me off guard.
Yeah, me too. You're like all into shooting the guy and then it just drops.
Alright, well, yeah, I got first.
Nice! I couldn't tell that.
Where was that camera? Was it right there?
Oh, it must have been.
I beat you, Josh. I got 350 now.
Oh.
They didn't have a picture on their side though.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it was only people facing backwards.